So it looks like when I mash the linked brakes, I definitely skid the rear before the front. So I can maybe trust that rear brake more, because the rear skids before the front does. Maybe I need to just trust that as a rear brake and trust that the brakes aren't linked that much. Oh my god, so much fun. Oh, I full on drifted this thing. Slow construction workers. Yeah, that's why this thing's taking so long. Oh no. Got a case of the stupids. Whoops. I did not mean to honk at you. Sorry. Oh no. I must flee in embarrassment. Gotta go. Flee. Holy shit. Oh, there's a cop. I like to act like I don't see cops, and then I go and I be an A+ citizen, and then I'm like, and then I like to make it seem like, oh, there's a cop right there, but he saw me not detecting him being an A+ citizen. It's a little game I like to call pretending to be someone you're not. Just be cool. Don't do drugs, some got jobs and some said. Just a grown man riding around on a scooter at a kid's park. Nothing suspicious here. There's a park down there? The sign said park. Alright, gotta check it out. Whoa, there's a whole nother park over here. Oh, there's like little trails. Look at this, like a little tucked away park. It's a little trail. I mean, Trail to Webster Park. Alright, well let's see what kind of chops this thing has off-road. I can't turn my headlight off, I think it's just low and high. So, I am not supposed to be here. This is really whetting my appetite for adventure riding on an actual motorcycle. Where the hell even am I? Holy shit! This is awesome. This is like the only time I could do this because it's almost dark and it's cold. So, no one is going to be down here. I actually don't know where I'm going. Oh my god. Does this connect? Holy shit. Hell yeah. Ooh. I don't even like see any houses. This is awesome. Alright, we never went up this way. And to the right. Maybe get a little burnout in for good measure. Oh, front wheel picked up a little bit. Don't mind if I do. Uh-oh. That doesn't look good. That's definitely a cop right there. Oh, I just realized. That's the cop I saw up at the park. Oh, this trail connects the two parks. Oh, shit. I wish I could turn my headlights off. Alright, well, let's get the hell out of here. Alright, and if she did see me, she probably knows I'm gonna go out this trail and out the other side. So let's get the fuck out of here. Not before I do a burnout. Now let's get out of here. She would probably be here in about a minute. Let's just assume she didn't see me, and I have more time than I think. Tailing getting a little loose. Alright, let's get out of here. So that connects to the park. Oh, you can see it. I can see the cop. There it is right there. I had no clue this whole time that was the park I just came from. This trail connects them. That trail riding was so much fun. It's a whole different experience because you're not so much just trying to go as fast as you can like you do on the street. What card reader is so slow? I get you need to verify details, yada yada yada. Fill me up, daddy. Jesus Christ. I thought that was someone trying to talk to me. Hey, it's Hank Green. What's up, Hank? Thanks for making an appearance in my video. Really appreciate it. Okay. Jesus Christ. I'm getting distracted by watching TikToks on the gas pump. What year is it?
What year is it?
I thought someone was trying to get my attention. You good, bro? Thank you. Come again. Same time next week. Alright, later. Okay, cops. Oh no, I wanted to go fool around in this parking garage and do crazy shit with my friends.
But I wanted to do hood rat stuff with my friend.
Is he handcuffed? Or was his hands just behind his back? I don't know. Hard to tell. Whoa! Yeah, baby! Rock your body. Alright, the top of this garage. That's what we want to get to. God, wheelie city in here. God, these roads look so slick. Oh, I did a full 180 with the back tire skid. Oh, that was nasty. Whoa. That's fucking cool. I've never even seen there. There's definitely people camping over there. 100% chance there's homeless people over there. That's pretty sick. Oh boy, wheelies. Can we get to the top? Damn it. Damn it. There's cameras like all over this place, so if I was probably somewhere I wasn't supposed to, there'd be security on the way probably pretty fast. God. How cool would this be? Oh, I had to put a foot down, but the bike didn't go down. Oh, wow. I want to see what's going on with this guy's. Oh no, he wasn't arrested. He just had his hands behind his back. I don't know. Oh, parking garage. Don't mind if I do. What the hell? Hey, looks like 4 stars. Ooh. Oh my god, it's cold up in this bitch. Was that fucking embarrassing or what? I found it. I just did like a half turn and just looked at him. Oh, I'm so fucking lame. Oh my god. Oh, I can get to the top. Awesome. Oh, it got so much warmer when I get out of here. This is kind of a weird, like, your balcony just faces a parking lot. Alright, we've actually gotten to the top of a parking garage now. Oh, good boy. Good boy. A certified good boy. Oh, this is the Rio Grande one talks about. What the hell is even that? So, like, I can do it? Because it's just, like, I can do this? No. The answer is no. I mean, this could be cheating. Oh boy, I have to cut in this guy's yard. I'm real sorry, sir, but, or ma'am. I'm real sorry about that. Sorry. Holy shit. This neighborhood is so nice that they had to fence off the cheap apartments out of shame. Get it, boy. These damn kids, all they do is fish all day. Back in my day, Mommy and Daddy would sit you down on the couch with an iPad and you would be there all night. These days? Shit, dude. They just give a kid a fishing pole and... Fishing pole parents, if you ask me. Is that a penguin on a bench? Pingy boy? Penguin boy? The conditioner penguin from Billy Madison, you remember that?
Holy jeez. Look at what we got here. It's too damn hot for a penguin to be just walking around here.
I swear I just heard a child scream. Nothing is sweet. Oh, there's a child right there. Hey kid! Hi! Probably it's just a subscriber. I have so many fans in that demographic. The 0 to 0.9. Oh. Okay, that baby was probably older than a year because it was standing and yelling and waving. I'm really trying to get in the younger demographic, the under ones. Alright, that's... Okay. Shit got weird again. Shit gets weird here, man. Okay, subscribe to everybody. Bye! My #1 fan. You're so, like, tucked away. Man, you'd have to be really good friends with your neighbors, and then not good friends with this neighbor. Good friends? Not good friends. Good friends. And we all get together on Tuesday nights and talk shit about Jerry that lives up the fucking hill, thinks he's better than everyone. Fuck you, Jerry! Fuck you and your hill. You're not better than anybody. And if you're watching, your name is Jerry, you know who you are. You're Jerry. So of course you know who you are. But I also know who you are. Little Jerry fuck. Let's get out of here. I'm just thinking of Jerry makes my stomach sick. Ugh. Jerry and his fucking hill.